I'm filming this video on the same day. We're gonna be making granola, so I'm spreading out a whole bunch, 2 little things of butter onto your pan. So let's do this.
Now, why are you doing that, Ella?
For it wouldn't stick.
Ah, so the butter will make it so it doesn't stick, but I would imagine that grape butter also gives good flavor, don't you?
Yep, it does. If that's a must-have to any treat.
So, yes, we're going to be making what kind of granola?
Honey granola.
Peanut butter and honey,
Oh,
huh?
peanut butter and honey.
Yeah, because Grandma
It's
loves...
very, very good. And if you're allergic, you don't have to use peanut butter.
Yes, you can use other nuts, huh? Like cashews and walnuts and almond butter. Any kind of nut butter that you prefer. We're using peanut butter.
Got our tray put together. Now, what's the next one, Chef?
Next, I believe we're going to mix our ingredients, and then we will heat them at a very low temperature on the stove today.
So this is very easy. You just need 6 cups, and it's already measured, and you don't have to measure it when you put it in here. So we're gonna throw it in here. Just go pretty slow because you don't want to dump the whole thing out and then make a mess. Or you could go like fast like how I went, but you still have to go a little slow. Then you're gonna give it a little shake for it to like go like that, flat. Right. So what you need is 1 cup honey, all natural, or it could be like not natural. And then Skippy's peanut butter, or Jeff's peanut butter, any kind of peanut butter. Because like if you don't like it, you could get something else.
How much
1 cup.
Nut butter, 1 cup, and how much honey?
1 cup.
1 cup?
1.5, yeah, like 1 cup.
Yeah, 1 cup.
1 cup.
Yep, 1 cup.
So pretty much we're gonna start by adding our.
So this is looks like only 3 ingredients, correct?
Correct.
So we've got the oatmeal in the bowl, waiting, and we're gonna be putting the peanut butter and the honey in the pan.
So I think first we need peanut butter, right?
Sure, put the peanut butter in first.
Alright, so you're gonna need some peanut butter, and if you have a spatula, that's great, like one of those like baking spatulas. That is just great, but we didn't have one, or we think we do, but this, but we can't find it, so we're just using a normal spoon, so you're gonna add a cup of that in there. The peanut butter is like sort of thick. Well, like thick, I don't know, like hard to come out a little bit. So just try to get as much as you can. It's almost out. Alright, so when we're done with this, we're going to put this.
Actually, you could use that same spoon with peanut butter right on it for the honey. Dump the honey in.
Okay, let me wipe my fingers.
And again, how many cups of honey?
1. No more. Just 1 cup. 1 filled cup.
Now, I'm sure that you can adjust the sweetness by adding a little bit more. Just know that with 6 cups of oats, you might have to add more oats, or even a combination of other grains.
Alright, I think it's all out. So when we're done dealing with this sticky madness, you have to like wipe your hands, but we didn't have paper towels today, so we're just using a cloth.
Dish towel, yeah.
Yeah. So now we're at the stove. that was just magic. So now you're just going to want to mix your honey and peanut butter combination together. It should be a little sticky. Just know that that is just how it's supposed to be, because it needs to stick and stuff. If it's like really clumpy after being here for like a minute or so, you should sort of add a little bit. I don't know how to help you with that.
Yeah, it'll just melt and get really smooth.
Just give it its time. It should look like this. Like if you've been here for like 5 minutes, it should look like this by now. But you know it's done when there's no more clumps.
And the fire is very low, so the honey is just warming up, not getting hot. So you have all the nutrition from the honey, and your peanut butter gets really, really smooth.
Rub it against the walls so it could sort of like break. So that's good, right, Grandma?
Actually, it looks like it's getting pretty good.
I know, it has to look like this orange stuff.
See any big lumps in there?
Not that much.
Is it all pretty liquidy?
No, not that much. It needs to be a lot. Alright, should be almost done.
You're probably should have got you up on a stool, made you a little taller, huh?
But like it should smell like more like peanut butter than honey, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's when you know you add a little too much honey. Alright,
is it all smooth?
Be done. Yeah, by 10 of being here, you should be done. Alright, so right now my grandma is getting the peanut butter combination right when it's done. She has to pour it into our bowl with our oats.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's a really good cook, guys.
Here we go.
If you don't trust me, you have to try this out. You're a pretty good cook.
This is a special treat.
It feels pretty cool that you could just go in there and like feel it.
The pot's too hot for Ella.
That's why I couldn't do it. And it's probably hot for Grandma too because she has to wear that glove.
And Ella and I both wear mini hats, so Ella is now the camera person for just the next minute or two.
Yes.
So if it's all wobbly,
it's me.
Ella did it.
I bet it's wobbly.
Just a little tiny bit more, but yes, Ella, this is perfect. Perfect consistency. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. We got almost all of this awesome peanut butter and honey. Good stuff.
Good stuff, guys.
Okay.
100%.
Ta-da. See how it
Ta-da.
looks?
That looks like fudge. Then you'll see me mix it up in a sec, guys. But you're going to want to do that to get it all together. Alright, I'll be going over there now. Alright guys, I am back, hoping that you guys could see me. Alright, so now I am short now. Now you're just going to want to mix this together really, really good.
Yeah.
And guys, I want you guys to go check out these people's channel. It's called What's Up Moms. They show you like cool things to like cook that kids like, and like cool activities like slime without no borax and stuff, and like room DIYs for the kids and stuff. So I want you guys to go check them out because those people are really, really good. And they're all natural too, and then you can learn how to make your own paint on their channel.
That sounds like great information.
Yep. So I've been following them and subscribing to them for a little while. Alright, so now we just want to, if you're a kid, you could take your fingers in there. Or if you're just an adult that just wants to, like, get dirty and like put your hands in there and just have extra fun, go ahead and do that, because it probably might not want to work for your mixture. So just knead it like how you're like doing stuff. It could get pretty sticky at times.
So why are you doing that?
Because you could get it all combined and squished in.
Mmm.
Whoa.
Whoops.
We got a little clumsy there. Alright, it's almost mixed in. Alright, it is already mixed in. Alright, so we are back now. Now we have to take our hands and put it in our pan. It smells like buttery popcorn, because if you want something to smell so good, you should use the Irish kind of butter.
Mmm.
Rustic guys.
Yeah, the Irish butter. That's what we used.
So good. Like so good and like fresh.
Mm-hmm. It makes quite a bit, huh?
I know. Like a whole family.
Yeah.
Just like us.
So it seems like this would be great as cereal.
It would actually.
And it would be great as a treat. Or turn it into a trail mix.
Yeah, if you don't add all that peanut butter.
Mm-hmm. No, even with all the peanut butter, once it gets roasted in the oven, it's gonna be like dry. So you could mix your dried fruit and everything else in there and have a trail mix.
It will just be something very, very healthy and easy if you're going hiking, or if you have to like run to school if you're late one day.
Mm-hmm.
If there's powder at the bottom, just crunch it together with the other black stuff. Crunch it together.
Mm-hmm.
That stuff used to be white, but now I just actually turned it into being brown.
Wonderful. And you could use a smaller pan, probably.
Yeah, it's just like, it depends how big you want it to be, how much your family and friends eat, or you. Now you're going to want to pat it down.
Get it in the corners. Perfect. Great.
Or flatter. It has to look flatter than this, or like this, because you don't want it all clumpy and like.
Right. Well, now what we're going to do is we're going to cook it in the oven for about half an hour, 45 minutes. And we're going to check it about every 15 minutes and stir it up a little bit. Take it out, stir it up, put it back in, and let all of the oats get nice and roasted with the honey and the butter mixed in with it. So we will be putting that in shortly, and we'll bring you back to see how it tastes. Thank you.
Bye. You don't want to waste no granola. So just try to keep it in the whole as you can. So, whoa. See how I did it, guys?
Did you try the granola?
Oh yeah, I did a minute ago. Like, well, not a minute ago, but later, earlier today.
And?
It's good.
It's good?
It's so good, guys.
So, whoa, we almost got a whole quart there, huh?
It's just amazing, and I don't think after you guys look this up on YouTube, cereal like Lucky Charms and stuff have a whole bunch of like cleaning in it. Like, what is that chemical called?
TSP. in Lucky Charms.
In Lucky Charms, I will not believe that. TSP. Look it up if that's even true because, yeah, it is. So, I don't think you guys want to buy that anymore. So, if you use this granola recipe, you could still eat cereal. And it's way more healthier. Alright, so I got my bowl. My bowl. Now I have to do my dad's bowl. He eats a lot, so I'm probably just going to do the pleasure for this. You guys might not believe me, but you guys should. You can look it up on YouTube, but it's going to be hard. There is proven that there is TSP in your favorite cereals.
Lucky Charms and others.
Fruit Loops, Fruity Pebbles. What else? Yeah. And Cinnamon Toast. So you never want to eat those. Again. Never, ever, ever.
So, what are you doing there?
I'm putting mine in my dad's dinner.
So you're going to pour milk into it? Push.
Dad, you're going to come in here when I'm going to call you for your cereal, okay?
Okay.
That's his voice, his beautiful voice. Hoping that I do not add too much. I think I add too much. Now he has more cereal. What?
Not too much, honey. That's very filling.
Very filling.
Mm-hmm. It is.
Guys, if you know me, I do not eat that much. I don't know what I did it. I eat like this much for my cereal.
Oh, okay. So, you're going to have cereal for dinner tonight, huh?
Mm-hmm. But I want you guys to see our reaction to how it tastes. Daddy!
Coming.
Okay. Dad.
Thank you. Is it all ready?
Mama!
Thank you, Heavenly Father, for this day, the time to give you thanks in this food. And that shows me.
The dad approved, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.